Hey everyone, guys, if you're trying to use the UK, immigration ID check app on your iPhone, but it's not actually working, don't worry, guys. I have got a step-by-step guide for you, to help you resolve the issue. So let's dive right in. So first things first, what you want to do is you want to check compatibility, okay? First, ensure that your iPhone actually meets the app's requirements. The app works best on iPhones 13, with iOS 13 or later and NFC capability. So you want to do is you want to check your software version. So you want to go to settings and then go to general and then click on about and then just update if needed. And then what you want to do, guys, is you can try restarting your iPhone because sometimes, look, a simple restart can actually fix minor bugs. So what you want to do is you want to press and hold the power button and just slide to power off and then just turn it back on. Also, what you can do, guys, is you can just update the app. So open the App Store, search for UK Immigration ID Check, and ensure that you have the latest version. Updates often include bug fixes. And then what you can do, guys, is you can also, enable necessary permissions, grant necessary permissions. So what you're going to do is you want to go to settings and then go to UK Immigration, ID Check, the app basically, and ensure permissions are they're enabled for camera, NFC, and Bluetooth if required. Make sure all these are enabled because missing permissions can often cause the app to malfunction. Other thing, guys, you can do is you can check for server issues. Look, because sometimes, look, the app might not work due to server downtime. What you can do is you can visit the official UK immigration's website or check social media for updates on the server status. And then, guys, what you can do is you can ensure there's a proper scanning technique. So the app struggles to basically read your, proper passport or ID. What you can do is just place your phone flat on the document and ensure there's no glare or obstruction and hold it steady until the scan actually completes. Then what you can also try doing, guys, is you can reinstall the app. So if the issue actually persists, just delete the app and reinstall it. You know, that should usually fix the problem and just reinstall it from the App Store. Also, guys, if all these options don't work, you can contact support directly through the app or the official support page. And that's it, guys. These steps, you should try them, and the app should be up and running in no time. Guys, if this guide helped you guys, give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe to Appier Solutions for more such quick tutorials. Until next time, guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.